This Claude prompt is potentially worth over $1,400 per month. And let me explain what I'm talking about. You probably think I'm crazy, but listen to this. I'm going to explain the whole process that nobody's going to actually explain and how you can make money from prompts like this. But guys, I do all things Etsy, digital products, selling online, and all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos dedicated just for you. So make sure you check them out, guys, so you can see exactly how to make money through Etsy. Now, check this out. Now, this is a prompt to create a design which can be sold on Etsy. Now, this is what I've done, and it's a little bit of reverse engineering, which anybody can do, but do check this out. Now, I'm going to actually take this design, this prompt, and I'm going to put this into an AI platform that I can create a design for it, right? So let me first of all show you how the prompt looks like in terms of what the design is from this prompt. So check this out. So I'm on something called Kittl, my go-to AI design platform, where I'll take a Claude prompt and create a design from it. And in this case, it's potentially worth over $1,400. Remember, I'll explain all of that later. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this prompt inside the box. Now, remember, Kittl is one of the best platforms to create designs and edit designs, and you can try out for free. The link is below. I've even got 25% off all the plans if you use my promo code. Now, let me just paste this here. Now, there are many design models in there, just like the ones you probably heard of, like ChatGPT, Nano Banana, Seedream, Flux, and all of those great ones. Now, I'm going to use something called Nano Banana just to create this quite quickly, right? So let me just go to it right now. Okay, now I'm going to generate. So I've chosen my model and I'm going to generate. Now, this should take around 30 or so seconds. And let's just see. And here we go, guys. It's produced actually less than 30 seconds. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products on one of the biggest platforms in the world called Etsy. No experience or design skills are needed. In fact, join my 20-minute challenge where I'll show you how anyone can create Etsy ready AI designs that you can sell, and in less than 20 minutes I'll show you exactly how you can do that. I've only got limited spaces available, so be quick. So click the link below or above and I'll see you inside. All right, let's get back to the video. And what it is, it says a happy Mother's Day with flowers, heart, and in a bucket, right? Simple as that. Now, how the hell have I said this is potentially worth over $1,400? Let me show you now. So this is my whole play, and it's a bit of reverse engineering. Now, this is a listing which I found on Etsy. It's a bestseller. It's a 3-month-old listing. If I analyze it, it's going to tell me right now that this is actually making approximately $1,403 per month, right? And the reason why they like it is because it's a beautiful Mother's Day floral clipper, which people love, right? It's got Happy Mother's Day on there in the heart shape. It's got beautiful flowers and is literally similar to what I've created. Now, I have created something original, so obviously I've used this as inspiration. However, mine is an original design which is created in the similar style characteristics like it. Now, this is my full process. So this is something that you could do. So if you go to Etsy, you need to find and identify something that's actually working, a bestseller that's selling, and ideally something that's selling recently. So this is only a 3-month-old listing. The second step that I did is I did a quick print screen of the design. So this is what I did. I actually print screen this like so. Now, after that is I actually went to Claude. Now, what I like to do with Claude is I like to put it on my Chrome extension. You can see up here, which is quite easy to do, especially if you've got a subscription anyway. And then you can just go to the Chrome store and you will see Claude there where you can actually put it onto your Chrome extension. Quite straightforward. I did a video on it previously. So let me click on Claude to open it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the plus sign here in the chat, and I'm going to say add image. Now I've got it as a screenshot saved. Let me click on it and open the image. So what I'm going to say is give me a prompt to create a similar design, but original to me, and use the uploaded image as inspiration. Okay. So we want to just use it as inspiration, but obviously we want to have the sort of theme, the idea, the characteristics, the sort of general design style, but obviously something original for us, right? And then literally it will create a prompt from that. And that is what I used to create the design. And you can see it here. There's a prompt being written up, beautiful. And then what I did was I copied this into the Kittl prompt box to create the design, as I showed you before. And that is how you can also create potentially a design that is worth over $1,400. Now, this will apply to any design that you can find on Etsy. But remember, the important thing is that you create something original for you, but obviously something similar that people are looking for recently as well. And the point being, make sure that you look at something quite recent, because then you know that it's working, it's trending. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy, where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products. Anyway, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.